Not really. Opening my Amazon package I've been having all week. Ain't nothing in here for you, baby. I'm sorry. Oh, something is for you. I bought you some scissors, some grooming scissors, so I could cut your face. Yeah, I know you're gonna bite me, but what the hell is this? Oh, my iPhone for my back camera, because I keep cracking it, slamming it on the table. A handheld electric fan that came super late. This was supposed to come for before the concert. Well, actually it was, huh? No, it came yesterday while I was at the concert. But I got this little fan. Let's see. Everybody claim it's so good. Let's see. It goes up to 100 speed. Oh, we might have something here. Oh, it keeps going. It go past 100. What the hell? This blade might fly out here and cut my face.
That's the thing, never.
Oh, yeah.
I can do it.
Girl, wait a goddamn minute. $199. It goes up to $199, child. And it's on 87. It came charged 87%. It come with a little USB. Amazon. I'm gonna tag it. I'm gonna link it in my bio for you guys and you girls. Oh, now it just says on sugar. Oh no, it's not showing.
Wow. Now that's a fan that you actually need for outside. The other one, I never felt anything.
I know, and I don't even know where it is. I wish it would have came with a case. $6.99, girl.
Oh, girl, I don't need that.
For sure.
No, not for nothing. It should came with a bag.
I know, that's what I was looking for. I wish it would have actually came with a case, a bag, or a carrying case or something. But this was $6.99 on Amazon, child. And it folds, and you can, like, stand it, put it on, like, sit it on things, you know. It's giving very fan, very demure. That's in my first package. God, I feel like it's Christmas.
I know, I used to love opening Amazon.
And then next up, I got, look at him. Get it, baby. Get it. Get it, baby. Get it. Get your ass out of my camera, though. They're going to have booty. Look. Oh, my God. Y'all, he be looking for the bubble wrap. And Amazon will always send bubble wrap. Amazon, send my baby some bubble wrap. Can you move, Coloscopy? He just loves some Amazon packages. So, Lord, this a whole lot of. This is a whole lot of over here. Make sure my address ain't in there. But I got me some vitamin D pills because my vitamin D is low every time I go and get a physical. I also got me some, ouch, get off my leg, iron pills because when I took my physical, my iron was low as well. I don't know if it's because I'm on blood thinners or not, but we need to get that back up because I've been like cold a lot lately. And get off my damn leg. I've been cold a lot lately and I've been tired. So these are iron and blood builders. It increases iron levels without side effects. It's supposed to be all natural. This stuff had like 20,000 reviews on Amazon, child. Like 20,000. This one had a lot too. Like, I want to say 9,000 or more. So we're going to try these two out. Might as well add it to my pill collection. I got me some headbands because I want to start back working out consistently, but I need something to kind of hold my edges and stuff now. So I got all colors. It came green, blue, just something so I could be cute. Black, this color, whatever this color is called, I don't know. Red, brown, and white. And Nala, don't steal my headbands, okay?
I bought me a whole pack of headbands.
Oh, okay. Oh, they got another one in there. They got khaki. I told you return them. Oh, because they was cheap looking. But these is cute.
They look exactly like one.
Did I? Then, I got me a light. I'm going to do a separate review on... Y'all, I finally got me... a DJI 2 microphone. I think it comes with 2. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna have to do a separate review on this also. What the hell? What is this? Oh, this is a clip. Look at this Negro. This is a clip for. This is not treats, bro. Move! Get your ass out of my camera. Come over here. The dog hit it on me for a second. This is a clip for the phone, for the car. You can use your phone, and I can use it on my camera for the sun visor, so I can record while driving, which I'm not supposed to do, I know. Who cares? You clip it on the sun visor and
like for overhead shot?
Yeah, just for like recording.
The sun visor that you put on when the sun is there, right?
Yeah. What else is the sun visor?
I don't know. I was thinking of the sunroof.
Oh my god.
What do you need that for when the circle thing you were able to record?
I brought me a 2026 planner that I'm gonna keep in my bag for when I go to school. Nah, I brought this for Nala. This
seriously?
A weekly and monthly planner. I will link this in my bio too in case y'all want one because it's very cute, very demure. It's leather. It says 2026, and yeah, there you go. And I brought this. I want to see what this do because my foot been giving me issues. So I brought me a foot massager. You can also put your legs in here, your calf muscles. My legs has been like really, really tight. And now that I'm like working from home and sitting at the desk all day, I need something to kind of, what do you call it? What do you call it, Nala?
Prop yourself up.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know what you're talking about.
To like help my blood circulate while I'm sitting at the desk, sitting behind the desk all day. Yeah. So get into the foot massager. And I got one more thing in here. What's in here, girl? What's in here? Where is this card from? Turn this over to learn more. Get a year free insurance. Baby, please. Probably something Amazon selling. I needed to get me 2 charging wires. Long charging wires. Why did it say mini Galaxy White? This better fit in my phone. I put in iPhone. Does the iPhone and the Galaxy take the same charger?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, okay. Cause yeah, I needed longer chargers while I'm sitting at my desk, behind my desk at work. You okay? He over? You think
What did he do?
He's up there up. But yeah. These are all the things that I got, you guys. I treated myself. Oh, I got a wig too. That's in my room. I gotta show y'all that later. But yeah, I had ordered some groceries. I ordered like $200 worth of groceries, but because Amazon was having a crash, like the government, my grocery order got canceled, so I'll go to the store this weekend just to get out the house. But yeah, that's all my trinkets and my gadgets and my doohickeys and my woohickeys that I got from Amazon. So put this back in here because it didn't come with a carrying case. That's the only thing that's missing. I wish it would have, really wish it would have came with a carrying case. That would have set it off in this motherfucker. Why are you laughing at me?
I knew you were gonna say that.
And that's it. I bought something for both of my hoes.
Oh.
I bought something for my furry hoe and my hairy hoe. His little grooming scissors. He ain't gonna let me cut his face. I'm gonna have to get that bitch some marijuana. You hungry? You wanna eat it? No, like he didn't eat. Give him something to eat.
I don't feel like it.
You're miserable. Why you get that? What that is? I don't got no trash.
Yes, you do.
And he ain't got bubble wrap. Watch this. He loves bubble wrap. Look. It ain't popping, puppy. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. It ain't popping. It's you see how he disobedient? He's a little disobedient.
He's so sweet.
But that's it, you guys.
Make sure.
I don't know how long it's gonna take me to edit this video, but whatever. Have a good night.